Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to appear offline on Facebook Messenger application. So first of all, launch Messenger app on your mobile devices. Once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your Facebook Messenger account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see the option of menu with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now over here on top you'll see the option of settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now from here under profile category you'll see the section of active status. Tap on it. Now once you come here you can see that show when you're active option, and the toggle for me is turned on in my Messenger account. So if you have the toggle turned on for this option, when you're online on Facebook, people that you're connected on Facebook and Messenger could see your online status and that if you're online or not. Now, in order to turn it off, simply tap on this toggle. Now you can choose any of these options. For now, I'm going to choose the option of until I change it, which means that until I turn on this toggle for active status, Facebook won't automatically show me online. So let's tap on this option of pause. With that, from now onwards, people on Facebook or Messenger won't be able to see if you're online. So that's how simply you could turn your activity status or online status to offline on your Facebook Messenger account, which means that from now on, you will appear offline on your Facebook Messenger account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.